Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the 4th of November and after I woke up I just thought let's vlog today. So currently it's 7 a.m. I woke up pretty early today because I guess you already read from the title. I'm super happy today for some reason, and that is I'll be going to the mall today after like 8 or 9 freaking months. So that is actually something that I'm really excited about. So that's why I woke up today early because I'm gonna go to the gym, do some yoga and stuff with my friends. Then I'm gonna come back, get ready and go to the mall. So I thought of taking you guys along. Of course, I'm not gonna be able to vlog that much because I saw a lot of Kolkata YouTubers who went to malls to vlog, and a lot of people and at a lot of places they like. So I'm gonna give you guys glimpses of the mall and just some random stuff. But anyways, I'm really excited and things we do at the gym. Guys, so I came back, I took a shower and I'm gonna get ready. So as I told you before only that I'm going to the mall today, so we'll be leaving in some time. So I'm gonna get ready now. Skincare routine, I've invent like I have added 2 new products. So the first one is this one by Biotique. It's a bio honey water skin toner. It's really good. Like, I have never used a Biotique toner before, but this is working really good for me and I'm really happy with this product. Is this Dabur Gulabari cold cream. This is like my ultimate favorite when it's winter. और कोलकाता में थोड़ी बहुत ठंड पड़ चुकी है guys. Like, I don't know if you guys can feel or not, but मुझे थोड़ी लग रही है and I don't like winters. So yeah, more of a summer kind of person, but ठीक है. Winters में the only thing that I like is staying cozy inside your blanket. I think that is the best thing about winters. Otherwise मुझे winters ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है. So ये Dabur Gulabari is like my favorite cream for the cold, like the winter season. तो इसीलिए I'm already using it because already my skin is very dry. मैं बहुत ही थोड़ा सा मेकअप करने वाली हूँ, तो इसीलिए I'm gonna use the Fit Me. ये काफ़ी अच्छा है like for बहुत ही नेचुरल सा डेली मेकअप के लिए. This is literally the best foundation you can ever have. So I'm ready and my hair was not at all behaving, so that's why I put it in the ponytail. And I'm wearing this pendant. बहुत खाली लग रहा था, so it's a very cute butterfly pendant which बहुत साल पहले लिया था. And yeah, I'm ready. So for outfit I'm wearing this checked white top from Shein and these earbuds from Manfreds. Hi guys, so अभी बज रहे हैं 6 and I am back from the mall काफ़ी पहले actually, but फिर changes आजकल पता है कहीं भी बाहर जाने से चेंज करने में बहुत टाइम लग जाता है. आना, अपने आप को सैनिटाइज करना, फिर से नहाना, पूरा चेंज करने में काफ़ी समय चला गया. देन आई वॉज एक्चुअली रेस्टिंग क्योंकि अभी घर में रह के सिचुएशंस ऐसी हो चुकी है. इफ़ आई लिटरली गो एनी वेयर आई गेट सो टायर्ड. So I was just resting for a bit, but now I'm here
and I'm just going to talk to you about my experience. And I went after 9 months, so it is actually kind of like an experience. So firstly, I literally felt so alive going back to a mall after so long. I could not vlog, as you guys could see. I just gave a little glimpses of the mall, and then I actually tried to vlog in the store, but they told that it is actually prohibited to vlog like that inside the mall. I don't know why, because I've seen a lot of people actually vlogging and actually like recording stuff. They were like, no, you can't record inside the mall and stuff. So I was like, no, it does not make any sense. But you know, also it does not make any sense to argue with anybody. सो इसीलिए मैंने ब्लॉग नहीं किया. तो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने सब चीज़ें ग्लिम्पसेस डाल दिए थे एंड थोड़े क्लिप्स डाल दिए थे ताकि यू गाइस कुड सी द मॉल एंड आपको पता भी चले दैट आई हैड अ गुड टाइम ओवर देयर. बट टू मेक दिस व्लॉग लिटिल बेटर, क्योंकि मैं मॉल जाने का व्लॉग बनाया और फिर मॉल का कुछ दिखाया नहीं, देन व्हाट कुड बी हैपनिंग. तो मैंने जो भी खरीदा कुछ चीज़ें, आई एम गोना डू अ स्मॉल एंड अ क्विक हॉल ओवर हियर विथ यू गाइज. So firstly I went to Pantaloons over there and मुझे तो उधर दुकानों में जाके really did not like the collection anywhere. Firstly ज़्यादातर अभी भी मुझे short tops दिखाई दे रहे थे, but as winter is coming I was thinking of getting sweatshirts for me. I love wearing sweatshirts. I love wearing sweatshirts. बट उधर मुझे कुछ काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे स्वेटशर्ट्स के कलेक्शन दिखे नहीं एंड it has become such a bad habit because Shein had, I guess, one of the best collection of winter wear. I literally used to buy sweatshirts from there every year, sweatshirts and hoodies, but over there I did not find that kind of trendy. Everything was so basic, like one color or one stripe kind of thing, which I did not like. In Shoppers Stop, in Pantaloons, in Forever 21 also, I did not find that much good collection still. So that's why I thought like, छोड़ो, let's not just waste money buying anything. and मैंने वैसे भी कुछ अच्छे स्वेटशर्ट्स ऑलरेडी विश लिस्ट में कर रखी थी मिंत्रा एंड आजियो में, सो मे बी आई विल ऑर्डर फ्रॉम देयर. बट मैं गई थी पैंटलून, तो मुझे एक चीज़ उधर से काफ़ी अच्छा लगा जो मैंने लिया है, तो मैं वो आप लोगों को दिखाती हूँ. सो आई वेंट ओवर देयर and I got myself this denim jacket. Now I have the basic blue denim jacket and मुझे थोड़ा different color में कोई denim jacket चाहिए था and I got this one. This is a olive green. यहाँ पे देख के आपको थोड़ा different color लग सकता है, but it's a pure olive green denim jacket and I loved it. It's so warm and cozy and कोलकाता में उतनी ठंड पड़ती नहीं है, so we don't need a very मोटा सा sweater or anything. This kind of material वाले jackets just go well because inside we are gonna layer. But I absolutely loved it. I can even wear it in the summers, over some sleeveless tops and stuffs like that, and it looks so beautiful. I absolutely loved it. So this was the only thing which I shopped from Pantaloons, and it was for 2995. It is beautiful. I really like the material of this as well. This is the only thing I got, guys, and मुझे trust me collection अच्छा नहीं लगा हो. If you guys also went over there and checked the collection, and if you did not like, then I guess you can relate how the collection was over there. But other than that, मैं फिर तो स्टेशनरी की कुछ चीज़ें उठाई. First are these color sketch pens. You can see it's like a 12 set, I guess. Yeah, it's a 12 set sketch pen it's a 12 set sketch pen which I got because I sometimes doodle, और मुझे कभी-कभी कुछ चीज़ें लिखने में colors, pens and sketch pens and all use करने में अच्छी लगती है. So I got this. Then I got this because sometimes when I'm very bored, I do sit to draw and color and stuff. It feels good. It's quite therapeutic. You should do it too. So मैंने ये लिया, ये Camlin का जो pencil colors जो आते हैं, that I got. And I got 2 of this post-its. So this one is the first one. It's a light pink, blue and yellow. And the other one that I got is this one, जिसका cover मैंने हटा लिया है. It's a beautiful post-it and it has neon pages and I love post-its. I literally stick them in my notebooks. They look really colorful. So after that I got myself some snacks. और इसके बाद I went to Spencer's. So Spencer's I went to get Diwali decorations, but guys again I was really disappointed. उधर कुछ अच्छे दिवाली decorations पर real नहीं थे, but उधर से हम लोगों ने कुछ wax दिया टाइप उठाए थे. These are like 24 का set. These are like candles. अब दिवाली में दिया एंड कैंडल्स इज वेरी वेरी नेसेसरी. रंगोली के पास देना पड़ता है पूरे घर पे. इट लुक्स गुड. लाइक आई personally love lighting candles and diya during Diwali, so I got this one. This is a 24 वाला set. उधर मैं actually गई थी to get decorative diyas, you know, for the house, but कुछ अच्छा नहीं था, तो फाइन इसीलिए मैंने फालतू के पैसे नहीं वेस्ट किए. एक दिन फिर से निकलना पड़ेगा to get some good diyas. But other than that, one that I really liked were these aromatic candles. I don't know if you guys can see, but ये देखिए इधर ये वाला चीज़ दिया की तरह बनाया हुआ है. Inside these are like colored wax and these have beautiful smell. It has different fragrances as well. Orange, yellow, all of them have different fragrances. So I'm really looking forward to light them. ये most probably मैं अपने रंगोली के पास लगाने वाली हूँ. But these look really good. And yeah. So these are the only two decorative items which I got. But other than that, I got some Chutputka snacks for me. So the first is this Smart Choice. These wafers, these are vanilla flavored wafers which I got. Then I got a packet of Maggi because Maggi is my comfort food, guys. And I don't know इधर क्या है holiday fun recipe, but ये I think कुछ नया निकला है मैगी का. I have no idea. So if any of you have ever tried this, क्योंकि ये vlog I guess बहुत ही जल्दी आने वाला है, मेरे खाने से पहले ही vlog आ जाएगा. So if you guys have tried this thing, because I don't know, I guess कुछ flavor है holiday recipe और stuff. तो अगर आप लोगों ने खाई है तो प्लीज़ टेल मी इसका टेस्ट अलग होता है या कुछ. Anyways, I'm gonna have Maggi even if its taste changes, but still अगर कुछ चेंज होता है then I would really like to know कि कैसा है ये खाने में. Myself, my guilty pleasure, you guys, if you know me personally, then you know I love Kit Kat. I love to have Kit Kat, and I got this packet of Kit Kat. It has, I guess, I don't know, 7 or 8 Kit Kats inside it, and oh my god, I love Kit Kat, and I had to get Kit Kat, you guys. So yeah, these are only the eating stuffs I got. I wanted to get. The last place that I went was Miniso. I went to Miniso and I got myself a bunch of items from there. But Miniso की चीज़ें I'm not gonna show you in here because I think I'm gonna do a separate Miniso haul video for you guys. So stay tuned for that. उस वीडियो में आपको सारी चीज़ें दिखाऊंगी जो भी मैंने Miniso से लिया है. But Miniso, my god, I love going to Miniso. I absolutely had so much fun going to the mall. So अभी फिलहाल शाम हो चुकी है. I think I'm gonna go and watch a movie because I literally don't have anything to do today. And let's munch on these babies and watch a movie, shall we?
Hi guys, so I did finish watching a movie and I have been quiet and I have been away from YouTube for quite a while, so I'm quickly gonna edit and upload this video by tonight itself. So please watch it, and if you guys like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have watched till now, then please subscribe करके मत जाना. I would really appreciate it if you do take a second and subscribe to my channel. So I'm just gonna go sleep because I'm dead tired today. And also, if you have not yet followed me on Instagram, then do go follow me there. We have a huge family of 5k followers, so go and follow me and be a part of it. You're gonna love the content, I promise. But anyways, this was it for the vlog. I know it was nothing too great, but I had really fun taking you along with me throughout a day. And if you liked it, then like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.